when you feel it's hopeless.
Hello everyone, I would be sharing with you a very quick and easy black, silver, golden eye makeup look. This has come up so well and beautiful, suitable for night occasions, night eves, night parties. If you are interested in knowing how to get this eye makeup look, then please continue watching. I'm outlining my outer V. I'm using pack 383 brush to get this outline, outer V outline. Be careful here to get a wave shape. Wave shape is very important for this eye look to look beautiful. After you create this wave shape, begin filling. Use a very pigmented black eyeshadow. I'm using this black eyeshadow from Europe Girl Paris palette. I'm pulling this upwards. I want that point to be sharp. Keep the point sharp here. Pull it upwards to sharpen. Next I'm packing this 1 and 2 glitters. First golden and then beside it is silver. Place the glitter just on the tip of the brush and begin applying. This is first line. Next line would be silver. After I coat golden, I will be coating silver. Like that I would be coating golden silver, golden silver. Push the glitters towards the black eyeshadow to blend it with the black eyeshadow. Next I'm applying eyeliner. I would be sharpening the outer V edge. Eyeliner is optional. You can either apply or skip. But if you want to have that sharp edge on your outer V, pull a wing. This is for false application. Pull a line here, plain line, for false eyelashes application. Next I'm creating pointed inner corner. Now I'm coating kajal on my waterline. After you're done coating kajal, begin smudging. Move the brush back and forth to smudge kajal on your lower lash line. I'm using pack 383 brush. I have used this single brush to create this eye look. It is one brush eye makeup look. Lastly, I'm finishing this eye makeup coating mascara. And it's done. This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Take care and bye.